All right. Hello. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, 2024. And I'm Jason Shapiro, Crowded Market Report, coming to you today from the beautiful town of Westport, Ireland. Which I would say to anybody that was in Ireland should come and visit. I'm actually here with a CMR member named Emmett. Somewhere over here. There he is.
There we go.
At his beautiful house here. So anyway, today, what can we say? Not good. These markets trade like absolute shite. There doesn't seem to be any liquidity out there, which I have talked about most of this year, how I thought that liquidity was what was driving all these markets higher. And now there seems to be none. Bitcoin, nothing. Bonds, nothing. Stocks, nothing. And I've talked before about the idea that when stocks rally early, it's usually not the greatest thing. And what's even worse is when stocks rally early and then they collapse late, which is what happened today. Not a very good look at all here. I still am a believer that the market is going to go down until the first rate cut. We still have a good month, you would think, until that comes. And that's kind of what I'm still believing. Let's see if that ends up being the case. At any rate, if you're looking to pick a bottom, this does not seem to be a great place to do it. NASDAQ leading the market down. Bad. Today's going to be very close to new low closes on all these indices. Bad. I have also spoken before, most of this year, that I didn't think there was ever going to be a time when the bears were actually going to chase this market higher. So we were never really going to get a capitulation that way. I thought that if there was going to be danger in the market, it was going to look like a pullback and that people were going to try and buy that pullback instead. And that was going to get them crowded along. We haven't seen that in the data as of yet, but we are definitely seeing, at least I'm hearing and reading, more people buying this dip than selling it. And no one seems to be too concerned. And that is concerning me. On top of which, forget about concerning me, the tape is speaking pretty loudly at this point. Until that improves, I wouldn't get anywhere near this shit. I will have to say as well, my thought today was that given that we tried to rally back on a Monday fallback, we tried to rally Tuesday, it failed. Then we came in today and it gapped up again. My thought, if I had been a day trader, was that it was going to rally. It was going to pull back. I would have bought the first pullback because I figured people were thinking, oh, it's going to fail again. And then this time it wouldn't. I would have bought that false pullback. That would have been a horrible idea, which speaks to the idea of why, A, I don't trade other than outside of my process. B, why I don't trade what I think might happen, because my ability to predict what might happen is just as bad as anybody else's ability to predict what might happen. So I don't trade off that. I was wrong today. Terrific. You know what else I did was I made a little bit of money today. So be wrong, make money. We spoke about that before. But in general, ugliness right now. Ugliness. So be careful out there would be my best guess here. All right, until things start to look a little bit better, which they certainly have not yet. All right, so that's it from Westport, Ireland. And we will talk again soon. Thank you.